So welcome back, guys. As you can see, there are some young birds circling right now. They actually went on our first race toss of 35 or 40 kilometers, right in between those. They were supposed to be released right now and were supposed to fly another half an hour or so, but looks like someone messed up the releases for some reason. So I'll just show you, those are the, we left some at home obviously, but that's the first one home, the gray one as well, and then one of the blues, and it looks like the brown one trapped just now as well. Yeah, looks like someone really messed up the releases, because we have old birds with them as well to quivrain. And the old birds were supposed to arrive before the young birds, but looks like something went seriously wrong there. Let's look at the second round. Yeah, the second round has one mealy. I think we left those two behind, and that blue bar. So I think the first one home from the second round was that one with the white on his head, and then second was the mealy. So let's grab some feed so I can get these guys inside. It's actually their first time being basketed in a big race type basket. Go, go, go. Let's get into feed. Go, go. Go. They should be a lot hungrier because we didn't feed them yesterday, and I fed them like only a little bit yesterday morning. But yeah, like I can't tell you guys what time they flew or anything, because I don't know when they were released. They were supposed to be released like 8:10, which it's 8:11 now, so they would have been flying for 1 minute. So I don't know what's up with that. So yeah, but anyways, let's go check on the guys inside again. Looks like those two were thirsty, which I can tell is that blue bar with white tips or the grizzle were the first to arrive home. So that's good, of course. Can't take anything away from that. So I don't know which one was first because I was still driving here. But yeah, either of those two were first. And then of course the second round, yeah, either the blue bar with white around his eyes or the mealy. Oh, looks like another one. Oh, that's actually the one from our Acepigeon strain. He had his entire thigh torn up just 2 weeks ago. So actually quite impressive to be like 4th or 5th home when you've got all that happening to you. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. See, the loft is empty. Well, we did leave 2 birds. Those 2, because they hit something the first race, so we're not gonna, you know, give them a hard time by flying this race. But yeah, the entire Youngbird team has flown the 35k race at the moment. Well, some aren't home yet, as you can tell, but a few made home, like 6 made home or 7. And of course these guys are flying the 100k right now, but yeah, those guys should be home. I think they messed up the times from the releases. So yeah, I don't know when they are going to be home, but I'll keep you guys updated. I just realized you're supposed to see like a lot of pigeons flying, but you can't really see anything. I just saw a big flock of like 15-20 birds pull over, but yeah, for the rest I can see a lot of birds at the moment, which is quite weird as well. Oh, that's one. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, here's one now. Two even. Yeah, they're gonna be Youngbirds, I think. Oh, that's quite a nice arrival. Yeah, you're from the first round too. Fucking, of course you're gonna be landing on the wrong landing board. It would have been a really good landing, but you know, he has to land on the wrong one. Ja. Want dat is een van de eerste ronden, hè? En dan gaat daar godverdomme binnen. So yeah, he just went on the wrong loft. Let's try and grab him. No, that's not gonna work. Oh, he might have hit something, maybe. Just pulling his wing like that. So, the first one of 100k just arrived. Oh, looks like the first 3. Looks like the ace pigeon has made it now. 3rd race. I didn't get to film it because I just was filming the young bird dropping. But that's actually a good bird as well. So those are the first 3. But yeah, I'll go back outside to film some more. Here comes one. That's the Federation first from 2018. He's flying better and better again. Look, he's the one in the back. So I'm thinking they were released like 8:10. Maybe my dad messed up the times to tell it to me, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Nee. Ja, volgens mij hebben ze die oude 10 nagelost. Dat kan 1 uur en 11 minuten. Yeah, so here are three more. Come. Yeah, that's gonna be an old bird again. And probably a young bird of... Ik denk dat dat er een van is, joh. Young bird of the neighbor. Oh, looks like that was a great arrival, but again the wrong loft. That's an old bird actually. Een jongen denk ik. Ja. There are 3 more flying right there. But yeah, let's go back and I'll try to get that bird on the first round because, you know, that's not his loft. I think the widowers are gonna have a hard time getting inside because, you know, the young hens are dropping at the same time, which I think they did that on accident because of the bad releases. Just gonna give them something. Not too much. So there should be 12 birds on here, as probably many of you know by now. And there are 4 birds. No, 8 birds, I mean, 2 times 4. So, and we had 2 in the beginning, so that means 6 arrived and 4 still need to come. That's weird that he only arrived that late. Yeah, he's supposed to be here as well. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. 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 Whoops, I didn't even see that one. Yeah, that's how fast some can drop. Sometimes you can't even spot it. So how many did I say? I think 1 or 2 still need to come home now. Let's take a look in here again. Because I think they messed up the releases and some young birds might have joined the old birds and flew a little bit too far. I'm not sure, because, you know, a lot of young birds should have made it back by now and only a few have. As you can see, only two in this loft because we left 3. Let's drop some feet so I can count them. Yeah, so there are 12 birds on here at the moment and we left 2. Meaning there's 10 birds of the first round arrived. And we basketed 29, so yeah. I don't think everything went right in the releases. Go, go! Here's my white one. The second round white one. Just arrived. Go, 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 go! Okay, so that's 3 birds from the second round. So right about 3 birds arrived since the last clip I did. And I think that was about 5 to 10 minutes ago. See, this is every single bird from the second round. And then let's check on here again. Yeah, a blue bar just arrived again as well. And another mealy. Yeah, these are starting to get a little bit more complete. Yeah, the rivals are pretty far, separated. There's way too much time in between the arrivals for some reason. I don't know why that is. Yeah, it looks like every single bird in here is home. But yeah, that's to be expected. They are all birds, so yeah, I'm counting 12. So yeah, they are all home. Now right about 30 young birds still need to come home. So it's now 8:50 almost, and right about 20 young birds are home, and obviously all the old birds are home, but we still need to basket right about 25, maybe a little more young birds. So I don't know. The first young bird arrived at 8:05, so they've been dropping for 35 minutes. So I don't know what's up with that, but I do know I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm gonna drive home and grab something to eat, and then get back here and film the rest of the droppings, or film some updates if some birds got home. So it's now well into noon, and I just got back so to see which birds have made it back. I did make a couple of calls, and everyone had really bad arrivals from the young birds. There was even a fancier with 250 pigeons that only had 40 home when I made the last clip. So yeah, let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and there should be 18 birds on this loft. So yeah, I can see the grizzle still missing, not that one but the darker one. The red grizzle made it back, the small one there as well. What other birds? Can't think of them off the top of my head. Let's take a look in here. This one looks a little bit fuller. Yeah, of course you're gonna fly into this loft. Oops. Yeah, so like I said, this loft looks to be a lot fuller now. There are still some birds missing. There should be around 31 birds on here. Let me do a quick countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There looks to be 26 birds on here, and there should be 31. So yeah, like I said, everyone has really bad arrivals. The neighbor over there had 3 birds home from the 15 he had basketed, so yeah, that's not that good. I don't know why. Sometimes they have these disaster flights. It just happens, you know. Nothing you can do about it. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the first real test race for the young birds. And hope you leave a like, comment, subscribe, the usual, and see you next time. Bye bye.